What is this? Okay. This is a triangle. What is this? Okay, this is a circle. What is this? Okay, this is a rectangle. What is this? Okay, this is an oval. What is this? Okay, this is a square. What is this? Okay, this is a hexagon. What is this? Okay, this is a pentagon. What is this? Okay, this is a star. What is this? Okay, this is a diamond. What is this? Okay, this is an octagon.
Subscribe now.